Audio Jungle.
Production is a part of an automobile's life that customers do not typically see. The second film of the deep dive covers various steps during Ioniq 5's production process, revealing further details that Hyundai customers would not have already known. Starting at charging the BEV's batteries to performing quality and safety testing, the video shows Ioniq 5 from individual components to a fully realized, all-electric mid-size CUV. During Hyundai's production process of electric vehicles, Ioniq 5 is outfitted with industry-leading technologies that are bringing about a new era of electrified mobility. The Integrated Charging Control Unit, ICCU, which Hyundai Motor Group recently developed, charges the vehicle's high-voltage batteries and spare batteries. Further down the line, the PE, Power Electric, system stands in as Ioniq 5's driving system, replacing the powertrain typical of conventional vehicles that run on internal combustion engines. By integrating motors, decelerators, and inverters into a single unit for the EV drivetrain, the PE system reduces weight and improves efficiency. To produce Ioniq 5's battery module, battery cells with high-level energy density are stacked together and placed in Hyundai's BEV-exclusive EGMP electric global modular platform. Depending on the number of embedded battery modules, battery packs can be categorized as either standard or long-range. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave me a comment to tell me how you found the car.